In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in a Google Sheets document without affecting other people's views. So, whether you're collaborating on a project or simply sharing a document with others, I'll show you a straightforward way to apply a filter that only you can see. This is a handy feature when you have view-only access to a document and want to sift through the information efficiently without altering how it appears to others working on or viewing the same sheet. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Google Sheets document. Now, once you're in the sheet you wish to filter, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see a range of options up there, but for our purpose, we're going to focus on the Data tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you're going to select Filter Views. Now, once you're in the Filter Views section, you'll see an option labeled Create New Filter View. Click on this, and what happens next is pretty neat. A new interface appears over the sheet, allowing you to configure filters tailored specifically to your needs without altering the main view that other users see. Essentially, this creates a personal layer over the data, which only you can interact with, meaning others viewing the document will not experience any changes you've made to the filters. This feature is incredibly useful if you're looking to analyze data independently or need to focus on specific sections of a dataset without impacting everyone else's work. Whether you're making sense of sales data, organizing project timelines, or perhaps even sifting through survey responses, this can really streamline the process. Let's say you want to filter a column to only show entries within a certain range or that meet certain criteria. You can set up this filter in your new filter view, play around with different conditions, and tailor it until you find exactly what you need. And here's the best part. Your filter view remains saved in your Google Sheets session. So, even if you close the browser and come back later, it's ready to use whenever you need it, while still remaining invisible to others using the document. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to apply filters in a Google Sheet with view-only access, ensuring that your custom view doesn't interfere with what others see. It's simple, effective, and you can use this trick every time you need to review or analyze data privately. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tip helps you work more efficiently in your shared Google Sheets. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.